All right, folks, we are walking into Unit 208 in the Brooklyn Bridge building at beautiful Bridges Bay. This is a nice large corner unit lakefront, 3-bed, 2-bath. Love the flooring. Trim work looks good. Got quartz countertops, maybe granite. I think it's quartz. But got a tub shower here, bunks here, and then we got, of course, windows in each bedroom, which is nice. There's a lot of these condos that don't get windows in the bedrooms. So, and we come down and we have laundry, utility area, and this is where it gets magical. So, just all windows. And we're kind of facing northwest, west-northwest. So you're going to get sunsets, fireworks on Saturday night, but then also views all the way up the lake. We'll check it out when we walk outside, but give you kind of the panorama here. Nice big kitchen, big island for entertaining. This will also come with underground parking, underground storage. And these decks have all been redone. The siding's all been redone. It's all paid for already. But look at these amazing views. And then when you own a condo at Bridges Bay, you are guaranteed a hoist spot. You still have to apply for it and get put on the list, but you are guaranteed. Whereas if you buy a cabin, you are not guaranteed. So you can just feel the space here. It's awesome. So we'll come into the primary suite. Love this, you know. Yeah, you'd have to wake up to this every day. One thing I like about this particular unit is that when they remodeled, they actually added a little jet tub here, which is nice. So they gave them some more room in the bathroom as well. So we got double vanities. Nice tile shower. And then finally, walk-in closet. So there you go, unbeatable views, lots of space. Love this unit.